Porsche 991.2 Turbo. At 572 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque is an incredible performance machine. But Porsche turbos have always suffered somewhat in the sound department, with the turbos stifling the flat six engine's potential. However, with a simple exhaust upgrade, the sonorous experience can be enhanced significantly. Various scanning techniques are used, and then computer models are created of the exhaust and its fixtures. CFD and acoustic models can then be used to ensure the exhaust design will produce the best power and sound characteristics. Intelligent silencer design with tuned volumes and resonant characteristics allows us to create exhausts with little to no drone at cruising speed, but at wide open throttle and high RPM, creating a high-pitched, exotic scream. Everything starts off as coils of sheet metal. Various components are precision cut on our 3-axis laser. Tooling molds and fixtures are machined. Since Inconel tubing in thin sidewall is not readily available, we manufacture our own. Tubes are then precision CNC mandrel bent. CNC welding techniques are used where possible to ensure perfect results every time. But there's still no substitute for the hand craftsmanship of artisans. At Kline, we have become known for the manufacture of exhausts from Inconel 625, the super alloy, usually reserved for Formula 1 and hypercars, jet turbines and rocket nozzles. Its extreme thermochemical stability and high tensile strength means very thin sidewall can be used, resulting in extremely durable, extremely lightweight components, surpassing their titanium counterparts in weight and durability. Carbon fibre parts are produced using aerospace and F1 grade pre-preg carbon fibre, cured in an autoclave at high pressure and temperatures for the ultimate quality, low weight, high temperature resistant parts. So let's see how it sounds. Part of our design brief was to create an exhaust with an aggressive sound at high RPMs, but with little to no drone at cruising speed. However, at wide open throttle,